So here's a little XPT Nature workout for you guys. Number one rule, you have to get outside to do it. That's a big part of XPT Nature and a big part of XPT. But we're gonna just figure out a way to train each of our primary movement patterns with whatever we have available. So I've got this rock here. You can grab whatever you have. Maybe you have a backpack full of books. Maybe you have your dog or your little brother. I have this rock, it's about 200 pounds. So whatever you have, depending on the weight, you can select the reps that challenge you for that. But I'm gonna use this stone and I'm gonna go through squat, hinge, push, pull, and then we'll add some running and some other stuff into there. So I grab my rock. First one I'm gonna do is hinge. So I'm just gonna do an RDL with my stone. I'll do about 15 reps of that, and then I'm gonna come up. And I'm gonna do my goblet squat with the stone out in front of me. I'll flip my grip again, hinge all the way at the hips, and I can do some rows. And then I finish off with some push-ups on 2 different rocks. And then I can finish that with some sprints, maybe a certain distance, some bear crawls, all different types of athletic-based movements or primal movements that you want to pair into that. But that way we've hit our 4 major movement patterns. I did each of these for 15 reps, and we just did 3 to 5 sets depending on what else you want to do and how heavy the rock is. So try that one out, but remember, you got to prioritize the spine first and make sure you're challenging good movement patterns with the weight, not just doing sloppy movement the whole time.